So I'm sure that you're all thinking, Ken, we didn't come here to become mathematicians or physicists, and I get that. And the logarithmic functions do look a little bit scary. So rather than going through understanding or reviewing your math skills, there's a simple set of rules that we can use that you're going to see in just a minute. And here's how much mathematical skill you need to have. The question is, can you add and subtract using the numbers 3 and 10? And can you do multiplication and division using the numbers 2 and 10? If you can do that, then you can get this information very close to the accurate scale. It is more of an approximation, but it's close enough for you to be able to do the calculations that we were just talking about. So it's not technically accurate, but it'll be close enough to help you understand where, again, you would put those access points. So we're going to take a look at some examples of what we're going to eventually call the rules of 3 and 10.